your shit and his shit.
Yup, what's that?
It just make you feel good when you land that punch with that sound effect on that.
Show me.
Like, say if you miss a punch, like, you doing the same punch, but when you put that, it just feel like it's hard, but it's still the same punch.
That's when y'all, what's the funniest sound y'all ever heard on a punch?
A motherfucker sound like a girl.
Who used to do that?
I can't think that be like, hey, like,
Wait, somebody really punch like that?
bro, I swear to God.
What's the funniest one you heard on the back?
That was the one right there. I got that same experience, that girl sound. Like he really, like slip into it or something.
Could he crack though?
Huh?
Could he punch though?
I done heard motherfuckers make noise and they don't be doing nothing.
Like mentally, I don't think that I let that hit me. Like, I don't care how hard you're going. If you mentally, I ain't gonna let that hurt me. Like, I don't think I'm gonna let that hurt me.
Crazy thing is, when I fight, when I first start off, I don't make that noise. I don't make that noise when I first start.
But when your shit gets to the end, you get the rhythm.
Facts.
You get to going.
I that bitch.
You know you got it there. Just be over with.
So once you get your rhythm, you start making noises.
Yeah, cause you get more in your confidence stage. Like the first round, you filling them out, so you just touching them. But once you get to touching them at will, you loose, you comfortable. You just discourage them.
Anybody